Welcome to our tutorial on enhancing Excel charts. Today, we're going to add arrows to column charts to make your data visualization more impactful. Start by organizing your data in columns. For instance, let's consider sales data for different products, where each column represents sales figures. To visualize this data, create a column chart. Highlight your sales data, navigate to the Insert tab, and select the Column Chart option to generate a basic chart. Now, let's move on to adding arrows. On the Insert tab, locate and click the Shapes command under the Illustrations group to access various shapes and arrows. From the drop-down menu, choose an Up arrow or Down arrow from the Block Arrows section. This will indicate the direction of change in your data. Click and drag your mouse to draw the arrow shape on your worksheet. You can adjust its size and position to match the scale of your chart. Once you have the arrow shape ready, select it and use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C to copy it to your clipboard. Switch back to your column chart. Click on the data series represented by the columns to select them. This selection will ensure that all column bars are replaced uniformly. With the data series selected, press Ctrl+V to paste the copied arrow. This action will replace all column bars with arrows, instantly transforming your chart. Take a moment to appreciate the visual change. Arrows can provide a clearer indication of the trend direction, whether it's upward growth or downward decline. Remember to delete the original arrow shape from your worksheet that you used as a template. This step keeps your worksheet tidy and focused on the chart. Now that your chart has arrows instead of column bars, you can further customize the colors, sizes, and styles of the arrows to better fit your data presentation. Congratulations! You've successfully added arrows to your column chart in Excel. This technique can greatly enhance the visual appeal and clarity of your data visualizations. Feel free to explore other creative ways to present your data. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks.